Hello students. So in the previous class we have discussed about the various characteristics of algae and importance of algae also I told you. Apart from that we have discussed about that the main thing is what we have discussed earlier, that is spirulina, what I told, and even chlorella yesterday we have discussed. So these are what we are considering it as an single celled protein anta kariteve, SCP. So these are normally important, what we have studied in the previous class I am telling you. So spirulina and the chlorella, we have discussed that they are important as a source of food supplement, and they are normally used by the space travelers anta helittu, because they are protein rich compound, that what we have discussed, single celled protein, that is what it has to be remember. And I told you that spirulina is supposed to be used in a medicine also. They are normally made in the form of capsules. So today that I brought this one, the spirulina, and it has been made in the form of capsules. Olagade capsules way, and then you can see that this contain the spirulina. This is the capsule what we have seen that, and it contain algae. So what is the importance of that? It is not to be taken it as a medicine, it is to be taken it as an food supplement, what they are telling. So they are normally the immune booster, that is considered as an, and those who are weak, that has to be taken like this. I am not advertising that one, but what I got, so I brought yesterday itself, and for showing you. So this is the spirulina, the name itself, it has been suggested that this has been used by the space travelers, because these are the single celled proteins. ಹೌದಾ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಗೇನಿಂದ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಶೈವಲಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ. Yesterday I told you that algae are classified on the basis of photosynthetic pigment and the reserve food material. So now class 1, 3 classes we have discussed in the previous class, that is the chlorophyceae, phaeophyceae and the rhodophyceae, that is the green algae, red algae and the brown algae. So now here number 1, class 1, chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae. In a brief discussion we can see that, or I will write here itself, you can observe that class 1 chlorophyceae. Class 2, here only I am writing class 2 phaeophyceae, so that we are going to compare with this. As I told you that first I will finish regarding the photosynthetic pigment, and as well as the how they are going to be, andre what is the nature, habitat also we are going to study here, but on what basis they have classified, first we will discuss. So now chlorophyceae, in general we can see that the chlorophyceae andre commonly called as green algae. It is commonly called as green algae. This is commonly called as brown algae. This is the first character that what we are observing, that green algae and the brown algae. Next we are moving toward the habitat. These are aquatic, mostly fresh water. They are also present in the marine, but most of them are present in the fresh water. So here brown algae, fresh water and mostly marine. These are also present in the fresh water, but most of them are in the marine forms. They are present in the sea water. Then the next point what we are observing, that regarding the chlorophyll pigment. The chlorophyll pigment, you can see that in the case of that is the chlorophyce, chlorophyll pigment is A and B. Chlorophyll pigment is A and B. Here we have to write pigments are A and C, comma carotenoids. A and C, comma carotenoids and flucoxanthin. So this is what the pigmentation is going to be found in this region. Chlorophyll pigments are normally A and B. This is the common thing. It is because they are greenish in structure, that is the coloration, you know that. And this chlorophyll is normally situated in the chloroplast. Chlorophyll is normally found in the chloroplast, as already you know that. But here we are going to observe that the shape of the chloroplast may be differ in various spaces. Shape of the chloroplast is different in various spaces. For example, volvox ಇದೆ, colonial may be there, and discoid or the disc shaped chloroplast is also there, spiral shaped chloroplast is also there, andre spring like. So like that, filamentous like. So a spirogyra anta bandittu. So in this way, various shape of the chloroplast is going to be distributed in this chlorophyll. Chloroplast ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಲೋನಿಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೈರಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಫಿಲಮೆಂಟಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಶೇಪ್, right? That is the chloroplast, that what we are observing that. In this what we are saying that phaeophysinally pigments are A and C, that is the chlorophyll pigment. All are photosynthetic only, and carotenoids are the extra one, carrot, and flucoxanthin, this is the one important where, because bright reddish color, bright red or orange color it is going to be formed. That is normally andre flucoxanthin is normally helpful for the brownish color, that what we are saying that. The carotenoids andre orange carrot color, already we might have observed, it also contain the yellowish pigment. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿದರೆ all the combination of these colors, the combination of these colors normally makes the brownish. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ವೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಕಲರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 or 3 colors are mixed together and it is going to be formed as brown. So in this way, here also pigments are A and C, carotenoids and the flucoxanthin. As we have discussed here, chlorophyll pigments are A and B. In the chlorophyce I am discussing. And now this type of the chlorophyll pigment is normally present in the chloroplast. That chloroplast shape is different. One day irodilla, chloroplast shape may be different. Disc like, as we have discussed in the previous, that is the disc like, spiral like and all those things, it is going to be found, right? Next we have to observe that idad mele reserve food material on mugudre. So normally we are going to be completing, remaining part we will discuss. Reserve food material, reserve food is stored, reserve food material is in the form of pyrenoids. Reserve food material is in the form of pyrenoids, or even we can observe reserve food material stored is in the form of pyrenoids. Howda? Apart from starch. Reserve food material stored in the form of pyrenoids apart from starch. Andre starch kuda ide. Starch is the main important reserve source of food material. So now idar jotege pyrenoids kuda irthe. Pyrenoids andre these are the proteinaceous structure. ಪೈರಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಪೈರಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೈರಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ and even oil droplets also present. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಯಾವುದು, ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಪೈರಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. ಪೈರಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ storage of reserve food material is going to be found in this form. Next, reserve food is stored in the form of laminarin or mannitol. Reserve food material is stored in the form of laminarin or mannitol ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So now why it is considered as a laminarin or the mannitol? Laminarin is a kind of brown algae and it is going to be used in the medicine. ಈಗ mannitol syrup ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Syrup of mannitol you can observe that is also going to be found. Syrup ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ those who are weak they are going to be given. And even it is also helpful for the maintain the RBC level and all those things. This is the very important one. Mannitol syrup anta sigtade. Weak persons they are going to be found given. You can observe that as a tonic. So like this reserve food material stored in the form of laminarin or the mannitol. So these are the main things that what we are observing here. Next, cell wall is made up of few extra points. Now it is going to be observed. Cell wall is made up of internally. Cell wall is made up of internally cellulose and externally pectose. Pectin anta ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In the case of the fungus what we have observed that the pectin and all those things. And now cell wall is made up of the internally cellulose, externally pectose. What is the importance of this ಅಂದ್ರೆ rigid cell wall is going to be found ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Cell wall is because algae are supposed to be found in the primitive plants, but even though they have to survive ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ rigid cell wall ಇರ್ತದೆ. Normal plants and the higher plants we can observe that only cell wall is made up of the cellulose, but here it is different. Cell wall is made up of two things, that is cellulose and the pectose. This is a very important part that what we are observing. Here you can see that the cell wall is made up of cellulose, and even we can observe that the one more important thing is the algin anta barthe, because a jelly like structure is also going to be found, uses what we have studied in the earlier class. Followed. So in this way cell wall is made up of differentiation. You can see that the adakke nanu I am writing here class 1 and class 2 simultaneously. You can observe here. So in this manner, next, directly we are moving toward the reproduction part. How the reproduction is going to be taking place. As we have discussed earlier, reproduction takes place in the case of algae, fragmentation, asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. Same pattern it is going to be observed here. So reproduction takes place by in the case of chlorophysi. Reproduction takes place by means of the fragmentation. ಹೌದಾ, fragmentation, you know that fragmentation ಏನಂತ ನಾವು vegetative kind of reproduction. That fragmentation we are calling it as a vegetative kind of reproduction, and this is ಇದನ್ನು ಆಗಬಹುದು. Vegetative also reproduction takes place, and asexual reproduction, how it is going to be occurring? Asexual reproduction takes place by means of the zoospores, producing the zoospores ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Asexual reproduction is by fragmentation. fragmentation. Asexual reproduction by producing zoospores, comma, vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Then next, sexual reproduction is by, already you know that, either isogamous or anisogamous or the oogamous. That what we are observing, that sexual reproduction by isogamous sexual reproduction by isogamous or anisogamous or oogamous. This one, the first we are finishing about the chlorophycy part. So cell wall is made up of internally cellulose and externally pectose. Asexual reproduction is by producing zoospores, and vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. Followed. If you want, you can write down, which is a very important one. In the examination part of you also it is important, just you have to write down that thing. Example also you have to write. Example, here I am writing, the space is not there. Example, Chlamydomonas, comma, Volvox, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, etc. Spirogyra also comes. As already I told you that the shape of the chloroplast on the same basis. On the theory, we can take down a few characters and then we will move on to the phaeophycy. Right? Next, what we have observed, laminar and mannitol, cell wall contain, and even you can see that the cell wall is made up of cellulose and algin. If you have finished this one, means then we will rub this and then we will write the characteristics of that. ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ cellulose and algin anta baradri. Cell wall, algin is normally found distributed always in the outermost region. Why? Because algin is jelly like material, it is normally protective in nature. Illinu kuda rigid cell wall irthude. Rigid cell wall is going to be found and distributed in this region. Followed. So now shall we rub this? Ille barana. So plant body, idu phaeophycy. As the important part is, this is showing some higher plant characteristics. This is showing some higher plant characteristics. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿವೆ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫೈಸಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ 2 to 3 characters it is going to be found in a different manner. What we are saying that, ಹೌದಾ, plant body is attached substratum called holdfast. Substratum ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, that is called as an holdfast, and stalk called stipe. Hangandre, like in the case of the agaricus or the mushroom, lower part whatever we are considering it as a holdfast and tarodilla, but now here holdfast root like structures they are bearing, that is considered as a holdfast, and the stalk main stem ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ, that is the stem like structure that is considered as a stipe because they are exhibiting certain higher plant characteristic features. And now a stalk is called as a stipe, comma, photosynthetic organ anta anಬಹುದು. Photosynthetic organ andre it is leaf. Photosynthetic organ or leaf called fronds anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. This character we are observing in the specific ಆಗಿ pteridophytes ಅಲ್ಲಿ fronds ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತವೆ. A small leaf like structures it is going to be bearing. ಸಣ್ಣ leaves ಅನ್ನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. That is normally considering it as fronds ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So in this manner, cell wall is made up of cellulose and algin. Plant body is attached to the substratum called as an holdfast. Right? This is ಅಂದ್ರೆ holdfast stipe. ಇವೆರಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆನಲ್ಲಿ. These are present in the brown algae itself. That's what we are going to be observed. Now we are moving toward the last part, that is the reproduction. Same features what we are saying, that reproduction illiyu kuda asexual reproduction ಅಥವಾ vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Same pattern, asexual reproduction by zoospores. These zoospores are normally found in the form of biflagellates. This is also important. Flagella ಎರಡಿತ್ತು, 2 flagella they are going to be found, that is considering it as a biflagellate ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? And sexual reproduction, how it is taking place? Sexual reproduction takes place by same manner. Sexual reproduction by isogamous, comma, anisogamy or oogamous. Sexual reproduction andre enu? Sexual reproduction nothing but the fusion of two gametes. That what we have observed, that sexual reproduction by isogamous, anisogamy or the oogamous. And one of the important factor is gamete reproduction. Andre sexual reproduction needs water bodies. Illi ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change ಆಗ್ತದೆ because it is normally giving certain bryophytes characters. Within higher plants character they are exhibiting here. So sexual reproduction is supposed to be taking place. Andre fusion of gametes it is going to be taking place or require water or sometimes inside the oogonium or oogamous. Andre in the female plant body, that what we are saying, that the female gamete anta ಹೇಳ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ otherwise we can see that the reproduction which may takes place in the water bodies also. So these are exhibiting certain bryophyte character ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Because even the fronds are also there. Fronds are nothing but the smaller leaves. We cannot call it as, because this plant body itself is a thallus ಅಂದಾಗ we cannot say that the entire the leaf, stem and the root, stem and leaves are not differentiated, including even bryophytes also. Bryophyte nalli distribute ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಥ್ಯಾಲಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇವು. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನರಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ example 1 we have observed that the laminarin. You just take down that, then we will move on to the examples part. Salpa tori, then we will move on to the example part. So hold fast means that what we are saying, that the hold fast is nothing but the substratum, attached to the substratum anta kuda ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. hold fast ಅಂದ್ರೆ attached to the substratum. Next you can see that the gametes, usually shape of the gamete is also there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. gametes are pear shaped or pyriform ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರವೆ ಇವು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಕರಿಂಗ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Identify the following example where the gametes are in the pear shaped or normally pyriform anta karitu. Pears fruit tindirbodu. The same manner you can see that the pears anta karitu. Right. Next, you can take down the one or two characters, few characters, whatever I have written, just you have to note down, then we will move on to the red algae. Right. Iveredu differences ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, just you have to read out and then you are going to write the examples also. Example I will write here, place is not there. Example, Dictyota, ಹೌದಾ, ಲ್ಯಾಮಿನಾ ಅರಿನ್, ಸರ್ಗಾಸಮ್, ಎಕ್ಟೋಕಾರ್ಪಸ್, like this. These are the few of I see. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಮಿಡೋಮೊನಾಸ್, ಡಿಕ್ಟಿಯೋಟಾ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ, ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ red algae. You are observing the red algae. Moving toward the next red algae. Red algae is very simple, are rhodophyceae. Red algae are rhodophyceae. So now here first, commonly called as red algae. Next, where they are present, mostly marine and found on surface region. ಈಗ ರೆಡ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ರೆಡ್ ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನಾರ್ಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳ್ತವೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮರೈನ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಜನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನಿಕ್ ರೀಜನ್, ಹೌದಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಪೆಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಟಾನಿಕ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, now we are moving toward the directly, that is the reserve food material and the photosynthetic pigment. The photosynthetic pigments are photosynthetic pigments are phycoerythrin. Photosynthetic pigments are phycoerythrin ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ phycoerythrin ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ಹೌದಾ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ phycoerythrin ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತು, ಹೌದಾ. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಲುಕೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ಲುಕೋಸ್, ಹೌದಾ. ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎರಿಥ್ರಿನ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಿಥ್ರೋಸೈಟ್ಸ್, ದ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್, ಹೌದಾ. phycoerythrin, it is because of that normally simple carbohydrate. However, it is going to be found in our body glycogen, like that you can see that the phycoerythrin reddish pigment is going to be found. Next, reserve food material. Reserve food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. Reserve food material stored in the form of Floridian starch. This is also the simple glucose that what we are observing, the glang bantu like that here itself. So Floridian starch andre simple glucose like glycogen. However, we are observing that the glycogen, Floridian starch andre simple glucose. That is why most of them are normally collecting about the red algae. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವೆ, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್ material it is going to be found. Next we have to observe that ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ now we are moving toward the remaining part, that is reproduction and all those things, the same manner it is going to be observed. ಈಗ growth, what we are saying that ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇವೆ, 2 to 3 characters we have to take down, then we are moving toward the reproduction part. Usually we can see that the ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೀತವೆ ರೊಡೋಫೈಸಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ. ವೇರೆವರ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೆಳೀತವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ರೀಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೇಸಸ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ದ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರೆವರ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ರೈಟ್. Next, vegetative reproduction takes place by means of the fragmentation, and asexual reproduction is by non-motile spores. ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. Asexual reproduction takes place by non-motile spores ಅಥವಾ non-flagellated, just now I told you, non-motile spores, and sexually by non-motile gametes. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಲ CET ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ ನಾನ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲಿ ಬೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮಿಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಇದು ರೊಡೋಫೈಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಾಲೋಡ್? ರೈಟ್. Now examples you write down: Polysiphonia porphyra. Example: Polysiphonia, porphyra. Polysiphonia porphyra. Right. These are the examples that what we are going to be found here. Oda. Even you can see that in the previous class we have written about the Gracilaria is also there. Gracilaria, Gelidium is also there, like this. Anyway, these are normally found in the rhodophysi. And sexual reproduction is sexually by means of non-motile gametes in the ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಐಸೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್, ಅನೆಸೋಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್, ಓಗ್ಯಾಮಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮೇಟ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಝೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ನಾನ್ ಮೊಟೈಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನಾನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಜೆಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫೈಸಿ, ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರೋಡೋಫೈಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ Chlorophyophysi is most important. Phyophysi ಯಾಕಂದರೆ here you can observe that the earlier we have seen about the chlorophysi, chloroplast shape and all those things. Phyophysi shape ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, shape you can observe that the Phyophysi various kinds of sizes of algae it is going to be found. ಹೌದಾ? So now ಈಗ for example Ectocarpus, smaller in size. Kelps are larger in size. Size may be varies it is going to be found. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ enormously, you can observe that the. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಟೋಕಾರ್ಪಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೈಜ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿ. ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್, second one is reserve food material, commonly called as 3 characters important, and next is where they are present. Chlorophysi is normally found in the fresh water, Phyophysi both, and Rhodophysi ಮರೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಇವನ್ 3-4 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ಸಾಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, and even the fragmentation, that is vegetative reproduction, is taking place in all the 3 ways. ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. And now special characters ಅಂದರೆ this one. Reserve food material ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. Reserve food material normally present in the case of chlorophyce is in the form of starch. Along with the starch, pyrenoids are also there. Oil droplets are also there. Right. Next, photosynthetic pigment A and B. Here photosynthetic pigment A and C, carotenoids and the xanthophyll or phlocoxanthin. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ, ಆ xanthophyll ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Right. Next is, in the case of rhodophycy, what we have observed that the reserve food material is stored in the form of fluoride and starch. Simple glucose. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವೆ simple carbohydrate only. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಮಿನಾರಿನ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೋಟಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆವು ಆರ್ ಫೈಕೋ ಎರಿಥ್ರಿನ್. ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಫೈಕೋ ಎರಿಥ್ರಿನ್. ಎರಿಥ್ರಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಎರಿಥ್ರೋಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫೌಂಡ್. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ವಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೆಲ್ವಾಲ್ ಈಗ 3-4 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫೈಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ವಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ cellulose as well as pectose. In the case of phaeophysi, cellulose is made up of the algin outermost region and the cellulose innermost region. Cellulose ಬೇಕೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಜಿಡ್ cell wall with algin ಯಾಕಿರುತ್ತೆ, jelly like material is going to be found. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕೊಲಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಕೊಲಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಿಯೋಫೈಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. Plant body is attached to the substratum called as holdfast, stipe and the frond. It is going to be found in the Phaeophysi. Remaining part it is going to be found the same manner. Asexual reproduction by zoospores, sexual reproduction by isogamous, anisogamous or the oogamous. The same pattern it is. Illi ಒಂದು asexual reproduction takes place by non-motile spores and sexually by non-motile gametes. This character is very important. You can see that. It is important ಇದೆ. Neat question it is going to be asked earlier. Remaining part is going to be taking place. Sexual reproduction also ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. They are also present here like the either isogamous or the anisogamous